Welcome to a guide to kayaking the Juniper Springs. I will tell you everything you need to know about kayaking or canoeing the Juniper Creek River in the Juniper Springs area. Some important info to start. This is not a course for beginners. It's stated to be an intermediate level because of a few narrow, shallow or faster sections. Please check the website before you go there, because opening times or rates might have changed by the time you watch this video. Last of all, I just have to say it, Juniper Springs is amazing. The water is crystal clear and the scenery astonishing. If you go on a weekday, you will see barely any other people and you will feel as if you're in the deep wilderness. Let's get started. The Juniper Springs recreation area is located in the Ocala National Forest, approximately 30 miles east of Ocala or a 1.5 hour drive from Orlando. I recommend arriving between 9 and 10 in the morning, so you have Enough time there. It's very important that you arrive before 11:30 though, because this is the last time that they let you down the river. There is a policy on what you're allowed to take with you on your kayaking trip. You have to put your beverages and food in non-disposable bottles and containers. Luckily, both of these can be bought at the recreation area to reasonable prices. Renting a kayak costs $35, all gear included. The whole course is about 7 miles long and will take you between 3 and 5 hours to complete. I was about 3.5 hours on the river and took a few breaks during that time. On your journey down the river, you will go through various different nature zones. I like the first one with the shallow crystal clear water the most. So I'm here about halfway down the river on this beautiful special spot. Look at how clear the water is, and look at where I sit. The paddling won't be too exhausting because the current will help a lot getting forward. Nonetheless, the river requires your full concentration, so you can take the swift turns and avoid the shallow sections. There is a short Class 1 rapid, which is a lot of fun, and don't worry, you won't tip over if you pay attention. On a warm day you can see turtles, birds and alligators. Fortunately, there were no mosquitoes or spiders at all when I was there. If you're lucky, you might even spot deers, otters, raccoons, or even a Florida black bear. When you arrive at the end of the course, there will be a shuttle waiting, which takes you back to the recreation area. Thank you for watching this video. I'm very interested in reading your personal experiences with the Juniper Springs in the comments. Or maybe you'd like to share your plan of going there. Making a video like this is something new for me. I would highly appreciate some feedback, so please write a comment with what you like or what you think I could improve.
The dragonfly ran away, but it came back with a story to say.
Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.